In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to go viral on TikTok, guaranteed. I've personally used this method to gain over 300,000 followers in less than 2 months. I don't care if you're an 8-year-old kid or 40-year-old person, this is guaranteed to work for you as long as you follow all the steps. I've helped all of my friends who are just everyday normal people, not to say I'm not an everyday normal person, I definitely am, blow up on TikTok, gaining tens of thousands of followers, hundreds of thousands of followers, and most life-changing of all besides the followers, a lot of them are making like $1,000 a week now just for going live on TikTok, which is an opportunity that all of you guys have, whether you're 8 years old, 20 years old, or 40 years old, maybe even 60 or 70 years old, this is guaranteed to work for you. For those of you that have never heard of me before, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and like I said, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to go viral on TikTok in just 5 easy steps. I guarantee you guys will go viral in 7 days or less. I'm also gonna teach you at the end, as a bonus tip, how to make some money once you go viral, because I don't care how old you are, 8 years old, 4 years old, I'm sure you guys would like to have an extra couple extra $1,000 a week just from going live on TikTok. And to put it bluntly, guys, I really know what the f I'm talking about when I'm talking about this. I've done it for myself and I've helped several of my friends do it, so I guarantee I can help you guys do it. Now let's get into what you need to do. Actually, hold up. Before I get into that, I need you guys to go smash that subscribe button so you guys never miss another one of my videos. Whether you want to grow on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, doesn't matter what social platform, or just make money online in general, my channel is a must-have and you guys need to subscribe to it right now. So now let's get into it, guys. I'm going to share with you guys 5 steps, and I guarantee that if you guys follow these over the course of 7 days, you're gonna go viral. Do not hit me up in the comments and say that this didn't work 7 days from now if you haven't done all 5 of them every single day for at least 7 days. Step number 1, you guys need to be posting 6 to 10 times a day between 6 p.m. Eastern and 12 a.m. Eastern. That's when the majority of people are on TikTok, so that's the best time for you guys to post and increase your chance of going viral. Step number 2, make sure you guys are using hashtags. You need to use hashtag FYP and hashtag TikTok, and then on top of that, use 2 to 3 trending or relevant hashtags for your video. Step number 3, and this is most important, guys, do not try to recreate the wheel. Just put your own spin on it. See what's already working on the For You page and make videos just like that. I'm not saying copy the whole entire thing, but use that spin on it, guys, because these videos are already working within the algorithm. And if you haven't noticed, people just keep doing the same thing on TikTok over and over again. So if you've been trying to just create original content and it's not taking off, that's why, because you need to start copying what's trending, be it a song, a hashtag, or a theme of a video. Step number 4, and this one is huge, and this one's really easy. You don't have to spend a lot of time making videos and things like that. You guys need to make reaction videos through using a duet with other trending videos. This is automatically gonna signal to TikTok that your videos are good and they're around relevant things, and I guarantee it's gonna get you guys a ton of views. 5th and final tip, especially for those of you with less than 1,000 followers or 5,000 followers, I would say if you have less than 5,000 followers, you guys need to implement this tip. You guys need to go like, comment, and follow back people that are liking and commenting on your videos. I don't care if this is gonna make the amount of people that you follow increase. You guys could just unfollow them a week from now, but you need to do that because TikTok's still a really new platform, so people are looking at who's following with them, who's commenting on their stuff, who's liking, who's engaging. So if you guys do that, it's gonna increase the odds that those people are gonna engage back with you and go drop you a follow. So there you guys have it. Those are the 5 things that you need to do 7 days a week if you guys wanna go viral on TikTok. I guarantee it'll work for you. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are gonna try this, and come back in 7 days and let me know in the comment section whether or not it worked. Now my bonus tip for you guys, once you guys get over 1,000 followers, what you need to do is go on live, literally just take out your phone, go on live, start talking to people, start interacting with people. And what I recommend you guys do is if somebody donates to you, do something amazing for them. I've seen some people write their name on a t-shirt. I've seen some people put their name in their bio. I've seen some people duet them. One thing that I really like to do is if somebody donates, I'll tell everybody in my live to go follow them. And you guys need to do these types of things and interact with your fans. And then what's gonna happen? They're gonna start donating a ton of money to you guys. It's absolutely insane. And everybody that donates to my TikTok, I thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I have all your guys' names written down on a list. I try to shout you out as much as I can. I love you guys so much and thank you for all the support. So there you guys have it. That's everything that you need to do. That's it for this video. I hope you guys do all these things, implement these 5 tips every single day for 7 days, and you're guaranteed to go viral or at least gain a ton more followers. If you guys like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And last but not least, if you guys want to learn how to grow your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'm going to link out to them right here, or maybe it might be right here.